my name is Andrew and this is Rogue Wrenching. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting an ICP sensor in this truck right here. That is the injector control pressure sensor. It is under the turbo. It's a 3-wire sensor. Here's what it looks like when it's out of the truck. I'm going to show you today how to do it in less than 3 minutes. This truck is missing a heat shield, which makes it a little bit easier to do than what it would normally be. So here's the tools you're going to need for it. That's going to be a 1/4-inch ratchet with a 13mm shallow socket, a 10mm deep socket, and that is if the heat shield is there. You're going to have to take out those 3 bolts, remove the heat shield, and then access the sensor. In this case, the truck doesn't have that heat shield. It's been removed by somebody else, so we don't have to take those bolts out. Then you're going to need this modified wrench. It's an 1 1/16 wrench. It's been cut to about 4 inches long. You're going to want a pair of gloves, some safety glasses, and some really long arms. So let's dive in. So we're going to see how quick I change this thing. There's the old part. Again, Ford calls for like hours to do this. So even if it takes me, 5 minutes instead of 2 minutes, we're still money ahead.